Welcome to Lifestyle with Neeraj. Buying makeup brushes is a daunting task. The large array of makeup brushes in a store is confusing, especially to a first-time buyer. Makeup brushes can play basic to highly specialized roles in makeup applications. However, most times the most basic ones indeed are used frequently. Nowadays, there are makeup brushes available that play multi-purpose roles. Building a makeup brush collection is very similar to building a wardrobe collection. It is advisable to pick up the most basic brushes first and then shop at your leisure to add to your collection. The price is also a significant factor. High-end brushes can be expensive. Therefore, it is important to become familiar with all types of different brands, brushes, and their usage. For instance, a high-end makeup brush set with 26 brushes could cost over 800 Canadian dollars. This makeup case has 26 brushes, and have I used all of them? The answer is no. Evidently, we seem to have our favorite ones and then we keep using the same ones over and over again due to the following reasons: texture of the bristles, quality of the brushes, handle length and width, comfort level with the chosen brushes because they seem to adapt or fit well into our hand. Brushes for the eyes. Brow brush. This stiff angled brush is ideal for filling the brows with powder to correct, shade and outline the brows for a sharp look. This angle helps deal with the brow's thin tail ends. The angled brush can double as eyeliner, but I find it is stiff for the delicate eye area. Angled eyeshadow brush. Tapered, large, plush with soft bristles is perfect for lifting, blending color. It is easy to apply shadow in the corners, crease and over the lid. It also helps with contouring and smudging. Eye blending brush. This is an important one to have. The dense, long and rounded bristles blend the harsh edges effortlessly to create a soft and deeper look. Angled eyeliner brush. The fine pointed and tilted brush is ideal for effortless eyeliner application. It is used with gels and powder shadows to define eyes to perfection. The brow and comb brush. This two-in-one brush is used to comb eyelashes before and after mascara application to get rid of the clumps, and the brow brush sets the eyebrows in place. Brushes for the cheeks and face. Foundation brush. This is the first and foremost brush to have. The super dense, tapered and round bristles are just right to get a flawless foundation application. Angled cheek and face brush. This angled, fluffy, gentle bristle brush is perfect for blush, bronzer and highlighter application. It helps add definition to the face. Kabuki brush. It has wide, round bristles, a multi-purpose brush which is used for applying face powders. However, it can be used for bronzer and highlighter applications. Although I use this brush to soften and blend harsh lines by sweeping it across the face. Beauty blenders. This makeup sponge is ideal for applying foundation and concealer. Use it dry to pick up or remove excess makeup. I use a wet beauty blender with loose face powder to provide a smudge-free and dewy finish. Before you go out to buy makeup brushes, it is advisable to do some homework. Make a list of makeup brushes that you want. Different brands are best known for different types of brushes. Remember that also that there are certain brushes that are very versatile and can perform several tasks. On the other hand, some brushes are extremely specialized for one type of application. If someone asks me whether buying a set is better than buying makeup brushes separately, I would say that makeup brush sets are quite expensive and not all the brushes in the set are used on a daily basis. So going a la carte is better in that regard. Fortunately, the market is also flooded with smaller sets offering vital basic makeup brushes at a reasonable cost. So one could start from there. There are a lot of options and the budget could be the guiding factor. However, I have shown you my daily makeup brush collection of 9 makeup tools. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video informative. Subscribe if you want to get notification of my future videos.